AfricMedia. Yanko Dedesha Nana Shedi. Me busa question. MPP ni NDC. Faso ba empa na ma mo hamonya ho faso. Me say busa mo question biem. Say MPP ni NDC no. Ya dey on mine am how many years? What benefit? And my benefit free ho. Me abuasini ana me organize bus efa abuasefo e free obuase e ba akra say. Now let me tell you something. Obuase ye produce gold. Eya obuase ya na ye hye Ghana. God na ye no. And I God na omutu no Ghana no. Munya honfaso ana. What I want to tell you today is that Ghana doesn't belong to MPP, neither does it belong to NDC. Ghana belongs to me and you. Me say, Munchie, the only way now omodi say yes no e fear. Say usro, ubehu, yebeku. Now let me tell you something. Say usia de kwa achia. Ubehu said that is the beginning of life. Ethiopia is not one. The country belongs to me and you. Ethiopia, Yana Sassini, Ayabade Demaye, Mojana Nanum Shaguade, Amaya, and your MPP Shagumaya, and your Mr. Shagumaya, Ayananum, and Ayananum.
I was here. Medas is about Dr. REN and me page so. Any day more about no, the was so they are called a cheat. I mean, who say, I am Mamma Batchy, why I say. So we have a topic, no, and a simple topic, no, simple. Asidankwa. First of all, Maminda, the organizers for Fix the Country demonstration, Minda Munina Masi. Sansuna Maminda, your friend is saying, Ghana and Ibia would to me a bomb modern a two quine, a free the fee, and so can't fix the country demonstration. No, I asked that I see an Abdima Munina. Teach you, my main fast that I can see with my freedom fighters for your sponsors and your supporters. I'm to me boy. Emrana used to tell them say, your bosses ever found coffee free or bossy Kumasi. More buy, I'm with me boy, and we musika. Musa support you with Facebook, so I must share. Posh baby mo, Barbara mo, Nanak, Konedumo, Arito Kwe. Just say sugar drops, just say Abuajim, just say a dinner dawson. A dinner dawson, I mean, see a queen immunity. Mwamo, a yeasy cabo in Yanano. Sure say you and I say the Eddie Dean, by my Yan, to me, Abomudin, away a platform so near the Adamasi because my idea, Mati and him. Mati Amagana and so and him. Mama Ghana, who no say Ampa or Sua or Mabria or Mojine Ghana home. And then to me, Damasi, papa. Obuasifo, Kumasifo. Bass, I could do Kumasi, and I'm political tribalism and to me and free Kumasi and Banti. Yet the demonstration be Baba so Kumasi or take a course on now. Ye bedi any my dear, but Namidi Sebedu Samreno. You benya Kenya Eddie Ababa come home, Kumasi Bonteneso. And all the best see a pen so, no cuckoo. Bafe pin so, eh. Mamin Namin Yanama free a Shiman, a Yenunga Teshi, Tema, Newtown, a salam down, Cocomlemle circle for, Menam for Briamo circle, tiptoe lane, I'm over joining, eh. Zelako, Moncof winning in Medamunina Masi. I mean, fast like a sense of a common sense family. I senior Avram Moshe Dan no. Bible commando, a wise African, a friend is saying youth and so kwa 44 free mind etia ko asedi mu nyina ma me fa aseda kese so enka emma e friend say wo fa yaw ono ye coordinator mu a Gina K no no so ho sister na her sister Irish contemporary na odi anibu nso a the first time ohun bibi saada o de ase ye nuane mo America fo yi omu bibi saada omu hu de say but so manga say join no de omu hu bi da but omu join no de na men cha de omu timi join ma na ye fe okatachie free fa bema ampa bema kukudurofo okatachie I salute you Captain Smart I salute you we ma men ka se mi nkyere mo Ghana no ho Matisa nkofo bi na third force enra winim se wo pe Ghana 2024 ama Ghana ni ato so aba ne ye hunu we efre say demonstration ase ye nkran de any subsequent ones ba be yes ye hu wo demonstration ase forget it nobody is going to campaign for you because onim nyansa nsin wo bi because emra mabunu no isu no wan be ka ho an join emabunu no what dey ase posh baby say men kai mo say mon support to freedom fighters ye Facebook fan club no be page mon bobo de na mon support na ye ntimi nkọ anim amintia Ernesto yeboa kekesi osai broni Oliver mabo adwuma MPP no nkofo tabu sasa Dr. REN mo face the country ya money freedom fighters for hini David mo Paul Tebi mo mama ba sugar drop mo any posh baby ni amazing GH for mo support mo boa enlighten nkofo mo buta 83 pa na say ye buta 83 pa na say the 1992 constitution there azan constitution no awam constitution no enema bebre wo mu a emboa Ghana ni enti ye kwa ni mo no de ye besere. Say politicians for the do my Ghana na pa na they mean so well ye best remwa your constitution de bro en fatayen sabi your constitution no kra no ene kra no enya 29 years wo ko ne 30 years mu ana meboa 1992 constitution de emfa ne say o 28 years kra mpo no ana say emfa say o 29 years I say 2021 de wo mu ene say anya 2022 onya 30 years or your bank was one warrior. The Constitution of Ghana and call your bar, Cabana was one warrior. I may be crank wa umienu and army and sabi. And your best ray and paying for. And never be brave constitution in one MY. And never be brave constitution in one. And what a Ghana need to me munino. Article a friend is saying 78 ni 71 as a then ya de mamwa mu ya no. Mahama. Ni trimu ya dene pa John Dramani mama ni trimu ya dene me sure say bloggers ne be fa NDC for bloggers me kasa asemu a omo father because omo be say Mahama Saba 2024 me dey many problem. What is the use of the mind if it cannot be changed? But Atamils ekoboka the taxpayers money me ye constitution no me amend ye anka ese ka Mahama use constitution no amendment no we use enu ntina make say efa saa ehwo ne de Mahama ne timu ya dene se wan use the amendment of constitution na Atamils ye no amanfo bebre kura ka se eno kura na mbisu bi kura na ebia Atamils moma ne pressure wode ne okosia ne kwanhiewu eno de mini evidence ntimi nka ne bebre kwa 44 endra maya ade mabɔ adwuma pa kwa echia mo mabɔ adwuma mam ye hunu se freedom fighters for chale ye bɔ adwuma we aseda Ghanaian youth am ba out ye zongo youth am ba out nima fo am ba out friends of Dr. REN am wo nima ma mobi kaukudi Newtown agbaje na mo ba out friends of freedom fighters hey Jack ma kire wodo pa ma kire wodo enu anu amusumu free takra de ba ya on the low mo de mo ba ya man sheda mo de mo na mu a mo ka kire se secondary for de ye kan ya adwene secondary boys am ba ya enu anu amu free takwa Dr. REN ye fans for ya freedom fighters mo free takwa ma ya de pa ma tie anim individuals amusumu ba ya kokompe mu nyina mo ba ya no ye damase yɛdem sɛ mo a mo yi sika nso bo a yɛn nso yɛda mo nyinaa mase Ghana fo a mo dɔ Ghana mo pɛ Ghana sɛ Ghana kɔsoɔ yɛda mo nyinaa mase ma yɛ adeɛ pa ma yɛ adeɛ ba 1992 constitution mo me nhya bibi so bibi enso atame osemra no wote ase no wo de Ghana sika taxpayers money and wo bo modern ase yemfa amede eye constitution samre no na eye vice president eye John Dramani Mahama no wo aban ni mu bi atame osebo ho ka senke yembo modern ase say constitution asisi ebonya 29 years oye bank waso aware yenkwa wo ba mienu miensa enso John Dramani Mahama wamfa anya adwuma John Mahama ono ankasa ni master eboka edi sesa constitution no edi ma ye senke emfa sesa constitution no aye ye nsachira ye wom no John Mahama mfa anya adwuma eno ntina me kasa John Dramani Mahama ho ne de ani timu edene. You see, say if the power belongs to the people there, then we might as well do what the people wants. Majority of what they say, no, nyansa woman eto asumu pretty Natasha Michia. Eto asumu to ye we are doing Ghana here, we are not doing NDC and MPP. Because without Ghana, no, there's no political party. And I've said it many times. And I've said this, if you are traveling and you don't travel on the ticket of NDC passport, neither do you travel on the ticket of MPP or CPP. You travel on the ticket of a Ghanaian passport. That is your nationality. Your nationality is not NDC. And in Kwasiafu amudi amunya adwene sachara amudi amuya emotional a friend is driven by a political party. No munya san kwasiasem no. Start talking and thinking about Ghana. Because without Ghana, no, there is no what country. NDC will play a part or MPP will play a part. So we need to start thinking and loving Ghana more. So yesterday, the youth, no, there, mo bar out, no, buy idea pa. Na san kwasi ampanyi fo amofra wo mo de celebrities a mo Jimmy Sarkodie mo. The Sarkodie ni Satawale mo. Mo Jimmy mo parochial interest no supersede the national interest no. Sabene wa we nyansani a you will start unfollowing people like that. When the youth were crying, where was Sarkodie? Maka kira mo say Sarkodie de. We yi Sarkodie na we yi Lucifer. Na just one kasa no we wiase a wo ba won tinio ma biase because Sarkodie de ne wo fapa ni Lucifer. Sarkodie or ye pretender. And then when I'm one of the cigar is na no she's Jemfu Amichia. And when I'm a Sarkodie na mo wanna be and or the cigar and then airborne bra. And what person Ghana for you now who say one cigar. And the other one man no kra whiskey no no kra cigar. Who is Sarkodie trying to impress? Who is Sarkodie trying to say or person say and then the one cigar? Me say Sarkodie wo ni wo fa Lucifer. They pretend they are enemy of progress. Well, giant fool at Sarkodie, mon cancer and mon famano. Yet ensro bia o, yet will be a dear mano, or say for Caesar, the Ama Caesar, and the Kaiser, the Ama Kaiser. My culture say when it comes to his art, his music, I like it. Equally, when it comes to the music of Shatawale, I like it. But Shatawale said they are not kind, he's inconsistent. Shatawale is inconsistent with some of his message. Why do I say? And the one country Sarkodie say, Sarkodie, would Jimmy, you know how the two of say, doom so by and our kind, ya, and then another to us, and we're trying to say, was Sarkodie, I wouldn't mean Yansan, and the Sarkodie, mean country doom so saba. And you man, Ababo, we're trying to say, was Sarkodie. A poor bear to say, war. But see how guys will be Sromuana. Oba London, see a catcher. We will force you people to think. We will force you people to love the Ghana. Because it is Ghana that has given everybody the image. If you, Ghana, nobody is nobody. I mean, can't mo nene, can't mo chana. And I'm a Ghana, could be a nyobia. Giant. Sorry, I'm for sorry, I'm for bomb, modern. Ghana in Sramu and come to my inshra. Some hunin some form of the Timukurumo. What do I say? A buefunu. Sagana wanted Timu and Mubenya friends, so I know Ama. When Yamusamon Quasia, some I am the Ghana, one Ramudi, you know. And ya Ghana and Kawusa Kwadi and Kawu you be. Well, say, I must have to me paying for a tardy. What do you say? Where I said that you? Who is a Machas Atardia? We are not in Yabre. What do you say? Who is a Machas Atardia? We are. There is a soon summon me, Papamusun, so many men and Namusun Sumitimu. No bagawaya, no fear. Honey, a can of current without fear or favor. What do you say? To Sarkodie Jimmy, make a chance with Jimmy. Woni mu nyansa meka kyerɛ so woni mu nyansa. What do you say? Enti mo amu follow Sarkodie no. You have to start on following him. Se mo mu nyansa no ye badwem bafo, you have to start on following Sarkodie. His uncle is Lucifer. Ne wofa Lucifer. 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 Sana Sarkodie tie. Woye pretender. Or pretending power is snake under grass. Or a chameleon. Sana Sarkodie tie. Sarkodie is a chameleon. Se dum so baye. Ana sa wo kan ye koye demonstration. Wo dwan funu Sarkodie. Wo hu fin. Me se wo Sarkodie wo hu fin. Wo ye stupid fool. Wo ye non-entity. Enkwasiafo na bedi wachi. Wo ma adwene mu ndo na bedi obi te se Sarkodie achi. Aboa ba te se wo dwan ba te se wo Sarkodie. Ene de wo Sarkodie na me baaye. Ene me da aye Ghanaian youth ase. Me wi a wo Sarkodie na wo de na me de ma wo without the enti ameka so ye okwasia ne say emra dum so baaye a na dum so ho no wo ene Yvonne Nelson. Wo ni Yvonne Nelson me de baka say emma deamentan emma because a man no say you yeah man ye check here who a man no they will check themselves. They got to check themselves. What I say know what time it is. And to be to say Yvonne Nelson, I'm not going to use my lips and open it to denigrate them. What I say because a man there sometimes and say no mutie. Omo emotional. To omo they can jump to and fro sir. But obi dey say Sarkodie I have to tell him. I have to put Sarkodie in check. He's a stupid entity. Look, some of us when we were growing up, now, Sarkodie there, look. Let me tell you something. This kind of hypocrisy from Sarkodie has to stop. He's a hypocrite guy. Oh yes, he's very hypocrite. And you see, let me tell you something. Some of us, we have lived in Tema and we've grown. We know the Tema lifestyle. We know Tema lifestyle is more or less like Takrade lifestyle. What do I say? Tema no lifestyle. Now, I say, look, I say guy womb. I say some womb. But in some time, you have to be real to your people. Abua funu Sarkodie nya wona okachire Ghana fo se mahama nti e de dum so aba ntimi koye demonstration. E de tia mahama. Abua enra Ghana fo nkwada Ghana fo mabunu eye demonstration no. Na dum so ni ho. Ghana fo ye demonstration no ka se a friend is saying and he face the country na dum so ni ho Sarkodie. Na dum so ni ho. Why did you not join? Why did you choose to be quiet? Why have you chosen to be quiet? Why have you chosen to be quiet? Abua funu because it is MPP. Kwasi abatoli we atesa wo. Onyani we atesa wo na Nyankopon da Roma Ghana fo asoso wo so. Abua hwe wapantan emra na wo meto emra na wo na ma wo sesre 11 cedi no kasi animu ana. Abua enya Dr. Duncan mo ne friend say abeku Santana mo da Roma ka wo yobi. We ka wo Sarkodie ka wo yobi. Abua enya Dr. Duncan mo ena ma wo platform adom FM ka wo yobi. Kwasi ye ka ni panka wo ka ho. Abua wo keka nkeka ni panka wo ka ho. Anka wo if we are sitting on the dining table to eat anka betumi aba ho. Abua wo endra Ghana for your demonstration. You could not join. You couldn't join because you have gone to take money. Ofu ti say wo. Where were you? It was only a stupid person who will be following you and be supporting you. What do you say? When Ghana for any abra wo mo demonstration, where were you? Oh sorry na dum so ba ya na mekan ya ene na natoa so abua ene de dum so ni hobiem. Ene de dum so eni hobiem. Ah? Dum so ne ko. Are you saying say ene de dum so ne ko? Because eye bonjani ofri srem eye otani eye tani na na eye president ene de wo ya santini entimetumi akwa gina wa kan say ene mahama or the dum so aba abua. You are inconsistent. You are a foolish twerp and I need to put you in check. What do you say? Because sanya trim ne sa your friend is saying a MPP dia yen kan because you can party abua ya kan ni so obi kwa siasa akode wo ya kan ni so obi abua funu wo ka wo ya nipa abua wo kan krama didi anka wo kan krama didi awie na kwa fa ase na nko adi thanks to Dr. Duncan any abeku Santana. If it was not Dr. Duncan and abeku Santana and comedy J was so nka you were nobody. We have people that rap better than you. It's just because the Ghanaian, a friend is saying, media are not giving them the support. We have people who rap more better than you. How about them, Papa? Where were you when we started rapping? When others were starting rapping and in colleges and other things. When out to one hour, say a friend is saying, fui, doom so by idea, and a meka idea, and a happy day, Aquatuaba, Aquatunium, Aquajiscasha, what also. A buatoliwa, fui to so. Pasia, and on Amnaudi Ukra cigar. And when you have a bien to Ukra cigar, if you say a life. The other episode, Churubiasa, unum cigar. Pasia, what one? Me say, pretend, no, pretending now, you know, it's how pretense, I be a much so you have to be real. Life is all about being real. Be yourself. Me, Dr. Ren, I have, me, now why am I impressing? Why? Me, my woman bow, me, one I don't have nobody to impress in my life. I have to be real. Okwasia tesa when ran krano we demonstration mebunu ni mrante ne mabawa mu ye demonstration. I was thinking senka Sarkodie nka you will join. Ana Yakobusa wana you have always been in support of the country. You have been in support of your father and your mother. Ofui aboa. When have you supported the Ghanaian youth? When have you supported the Ghanaian youth? Tell me, when have you supported Ghanaian youth? Ana ye mu bi ne ye mebu wa ye nka kwasia oboaboa wonya hwe. We know you. We yanka abeka. Why you think we don't know you? If we are Kabeka, what I say, Sarkodie and Kawiyan Kabeka, Kasi any Muana, Munya Mponamo Kasamaye. So, dear, why am a Ghanaian youth? And Ghanaian youth were crying, they were dead. Omujina Rianimu. Woman Nanti, they said they want the country to be fixed. Abua, Sagana Fixia, a woman come, a match pass, no, Omuko first a demonstration, Omukwana Bebenefitiana. Abua Kagana ye yan kampo na kabe benefit kese. Kagana fo benye sika de atonyom. Kagana fo benye sika de streaming wonyom. Ofuya tesa wo. What do I say? Ofuya tesa wo nka wo Kagana fo ye ye a. Enka wo ne be streaming wonyom bebre. Kagana fo be ye wadoye mo. But Andra, you were not there because you were a sycophant. Andra, you were not there. Sarkodie, you were not there. Ana dum so ba na mekan ya. Ene na natwa so. And a free education about a boy and comfort your school fees. So, meka. Or free Sarkodie and comfort your school fees. Where are you? You are not talking about it. Stupid non-entity like you. Do you think you are the only person that can rap? We have a lot of Ghanaians that can rap. Who can even rap better than you? Yes, I respect your art. I respect your music. But if you are a hypocrite, we have to tell you are a hypocrite. Equally like Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. We respect him as our president. But if he's a liar, we'll tell him, son, now chantro. But no one that's someone in Nana Akufo-Addo, you know, Munaye, no one that's someone in Amu of a friend is say, Lucifer. And Nana Akufo-Addo cried, or no cried, and he is competing with Lucifer. Akufo-Addo, the Yan of Lucifer. He is competing with Lucifer. Or Lucifer, Kunyanaji. What do I say? Lucifer, Lucifer, no buy, and send your Bekabia and Tro, or Casamba, one different things. San Akufo-Addo tier. Anything Akufo-Addo Bekabia, or the opposite. Obakacha some mamon call a friend say a year because of COVID-19. Ube who Akufo-Addo no na me yasi. And the Akufo-Addo there is the only there he's now competing with Lucifer. But what's Sarkodie there? Who offer any Lucifer? What's Sarkodie there? Who offer pa any Lucifer? Who offer pa? Who offer? You are a pretender, and you have to learn sense. What do I say? And I know a branch here. What to nyom ye you kwaku from pond the assembly black sheriff who person ya now the who to say and obo anya wa omo say omo start so omo bo branch na wo Sarkodie na wonka ho what do I say to remember me just hype ne mfa black sheriff started omo started so omo bo ya pono mu na started so omo bo black sheriff mu. Remember, yes, about the fast and I even crown obedient who bowa, then none of career I end it. What do I say? Obedient who bowa, none of career no I end it. Look at the kind of spirit I'm used to now for this music. Stop all this your foolishness. You come here and you pretend as if we don't know you. Any musician be or no Sarkodie be you go and check their music. Go and check anybody be or any up and coming artist be or basso All bass or shine. Go and check. Or the no bass Sarkodie, go and check their music. Opa also me go and check strong man mo. Any musician, they be a say, sir, a friend is saying, Abrante o Kumasi. Monin and Casa, sir, a man in fan home boss Sarkodie, sir, Abrantiano. Me person be body the bamu de munim no. Amrado. Mon can channel so on 10 who free Sarkodie. Ne art, ne music. What no boss Sarkodie on hated that. Ebe the name was eyes or hate. No, I a floating boat, no, on an ammo floaty, sir. On train who free Sarkodie. Because that is the spirit of Sarkodie. The who born a pet, you will never outshine him. That's why Jimmy. Yeah, I'm out for no antimate. Someone in moi. I'm out for no anti. Timun country Amrado, no. Said Dr. REN say, Amrado, men for one boss Sarkodie. On ante pa. Yes, Sarkodie on ante. Ah, Mumbusa womo. Sarkodie on ante. On the bush for no ante pa. On ante. Nyagro. They walk. Odi akojina na odi talent akodi agro te said the minua a friend say terrible nchaka dini die kodi agro amanfo end in the career a beautiful talented a friend say na nkobi beto a friend say terrible nchaka when we started terrible nchaka money your man come on, yeah, sometimes we don't want to talk. All time when we started seeing a friend says Samini walking chalote or the now fin at the by friend saying Nana Kino. That time we were wearing cheerness and we were driving a friend saying a down suman. A buofunu cause a nimo. Me say mon cancha Sarkodie no. Mo Sarkodie no. Or you'll be a hypocrite or you stupid fool. A bua and I'm ranting a demonstration. Surface the country. You were nowhere. You were nowhere near the place. Abua, and so you were following a friend saying MPP mo and the choir friend saying demonstration. What do you say? O giant to say. Kwasi afo benyan kwasi ampanyin for no do wechi because they don't think. They don't reason. Black Lives Matter by you saw Ghanaian celebrity tweeting Black Lives Matter. Ghana form celebrities. They are inferior celebrities. Ghanaian celebrities, they are very inferior. Very inferior. Their minds are inferior. They support what is in the West, but they don't support what the people that help them. Manya Mingabu. Manya Ritokwe Mingabu. One of our sponsors. Boboy pa Manya. Look, Black Lives Matter, President tweety, and painful tweety. When it comes to the West, not their inferior spirit, then a dead. Then you can see the black man, indeed, most of the leaders in Africa, they are very inferior, especially the celebrities. What do I say? The celebrities, their minds are very inferior. Outside Ghana, they will quickly shout. Hashtag so and so. Hashtag Aponche is a mare. Hashtag Ojan is a goat. Hashtag Ojan is a sheep. Hashtag Aponche is a goat. Now Timusa. But my baby to Ghana and Israel to Chrome from there and celebrate. What are you celebrating them for? What do you celebrate them for? What do you really celebrate them for? Yesterday, nobody was there. Abuja. Sorry, I know Ghana first so they should stream your music. What the new album about people should stream that. Now I want to say me Kevin Taylor. I know there are two said they should support me, Dr. REN. I will support you because you are a hypocrite. I don't support hypocrisy. I support people that are real and authentic and original. I support people like the Black Rastas. Yesterday, Black Rasta was there. He has shown, say yes, Mungamu, do or die. He is with the youth. Yesterday, Oketechie Frifa was there. Avram Ben Moshe was there. Captain Smart was there. Nana Shady was there. Free Mind was there. Ofaya was there. Power 44 was there. Bible Commando was there. These are the people. Then you come there, you want me to come and support Sarkodie. Where Jimmy Anna? What do you need, Juma? Abua. Oh, you're not going to trap picture, not the cigar, or the wine. Who are you trying to impress? The Ghanaian or sorry on the park. Oh, you 3 square meal a day. Edina Obechera and watch Renana. Barbara cigar, any a whiskey, you find ball life. Ubabrocha cigar, any whiskey, you find car crying fan ball life. Ubabrocha car crying fan ball life. Abodam. I'm for you 1 week, 2 weeks. I'm talking. Abu efunu. When we are saying the system should be fixed, what one you are not even talking and even supporting it. You are not even supporting. Say, oh, Emrantian and Ramuko, at least as Sarkodie, let me be there. Let me be there and say, Ampa, some doom so by and I'm a car, and I'm a son and Antuaso, that's as doom sabadia, and you mess about Boasa face the country. That is it. You have to be consistent in life. Consistency is a key. Consistency means that you believe in a certain good principles. That is the truth in life. Abuagwine. Then people will come and say, what the new song be about? They should come and stream for you. Abua open 1 million views in a day. Oh, fuye to sell. Me say any rapper be up and coming be out in Sarkodie, go and check. Any rapper be up and coming. Our baby, go and check. Or the noble Sarkodie. Ne carriano, on to me outshine Sarkodie. Da. Ne draw a quadrino no. Ne draw a quadrino. O chia win some and one no. Sarkodie chia win some and one no. Sure. I think say on a pantine those days. Na pantine to say a friend is say. To say a friend is saying Dodi Island. And wababe ye yentino. Wabe jinabe di tetiaman kofo. O fui. But this is a fufu oba fufu no mo so ene na mo no mo kansem hu no. Messi Andra obi a wan ba face the country ni bi a wan support you bia no ye fufufunu o ye odwan o ye abrechire o ye abuamu aboa o ye abuwa gwan asiafo am tete Ghana wa ye ka say fix the country mo hyehyɛ mu dem aboa enso sorry na pa you are crying say your friend is saying a transportation akosoro you were shouting say transportation akosoro. And yesterday, some people were shouting, hey, why did you not join the Fix the Country? And why did you not join the Fix the Country demonstration? What's your cry? Why did you not join? Maminda a new IGP as Dampari, IGP Dampari. Maminja Miankasa, Mia Madame Fupa, one of my beautiful friends, Charlie Ewa Ghana police. Maminda Nasipa, DSP, if you are thinking, if you are Joe Peg, if you are there, where are there? Maybe I mean Ghana for man now, I love them to bit. Charlie, sister, if you are there, pa, hey, DSP, now you're Bapa and Rapan, what 2019, 119, name, hey. Oh, no. IGP, where dear Charlie, oh, we are too much. Oh, fair, say, weak him, dear. Oh, yeah, Juma. But who Vienna call a friend and say, well, former IGP in the end, so she be good through so. And you have a kaya junior because Charlie will be in Sorobia. Ghana and you'll be back with the and Ramikoti Akufado say, Founders Day, Nipapa come. While Boo or Giant, who on paying President Akufado, who be Independence Day. 1957, where were you? Tell Ghanaians where you were in 1957. They independence, and how far played. You do play mobile UK. Ubeka independence. Why did you not celebrate a friend say Independence Day? It is the same thing like Sarkodie. Face the country, Sarkodie was nowhere. Independence celebration, Ghana for independence, 6th of March 1957. Akufo-Addo that day one or two free Ghana. Or say Ghana from Mukuru. And Wabejina by Founders Day, Sunny Papa, and then we're finding an anana boy. Why? Emra Nkrumah say Independence Day, Independence now. No fan on anana papa. One say there be that. One say independence now. Because you're ready. Because until you still don't understand that the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. So they don't understand that the black man is still capable of managing their own affairs. And Nkrumah was so he believed in the Ghanaian. And he gave the Ghanaian the opportunity to deliver. What did I say? Aha. And until you see most of our leaders and the so-called celebrities and the pastors, they are inferior. Matisse pastor be a friend eagle pastor. Muntiani na mo fan kanchira sa pastor. We Jimmy Dodo. Pastor ne a friend eagle pastor. Me so I de we Jimmy Dodo. Me case we Jimmy I say amen. We Jimmy Dodo. Sa pastor no ho. Or friend who Eagle Pastor. And I know me when you say TV, say radio station be as a TV, so say a Kingdom FM as a Kingdom Radio as a one of the stations. I'm not I'm say if I'm not mistaken, I mean precisely say either say Kingdom of one or but one of the stations. Or kwatena what yasima kwa kai. Was on your friend Eagle Prophet as a Eagle Pastor. Me dem so or your 419 or your azan or your pastor or your thief or your crowd for. Unim de kwaya. Wakwatena TV a radio station one. I know say hwe me de bibia me se bia ye okode ene da so tie ne ye. Me de me symbol nyina ye okode ye eagle. Me symbol bia anti atade a me hye kra me hye eye Giorgio Armani tie papa no. Oso wa hye atade a eye Giorgio Armani. Listen. This foolish a friend is say Eagle Prophet. And you know why I'm saying so o Jimmy for no tie. Anna a friend is saying radio presenter no so ejiji homa no say hey anyway near bio hey you know what so say shy me polite me ball me everything about me is Eagle because abo okode no oye ne mu aduru ana ne ho adene and so me wear Giorgio Armani product because Giorgio Armani no e okode symbol abusia. Do you know the irony of it? Do you know the irony of it? Giorgio Armani awoka na asem no ho. Giorgio Armani gay. TMU. Angel, a friend is saying, Eagle Prophet, no, praise Giorgio Armani, so I said Giorgio Armani product. Meanwhile, Giorgio Armani is you gay, also your pastor, and you are fighting against LGBTQI+. Also, who designer now, you are wearing a gay designer, who is also a billionaire. And you see, the Bible says that for lack of knowledge, my people perish. And these are the people that the Ghanaian follow. You follow people like this. You follow people like this. You need to start having mentors like Kwame Free Famo, mentors like Avram Ben Moshe, Kwa 44, Dr. REN, Gina K TV. This should be your mentor. Not the people like Sarkodie who are what? Who are what? Who are what? Inconsistent with their message and don't have character. Also support to Igilo. Or support to Giorgio Armani. But Giorgio Armani is a gay. I have nothing against people like that. Their sexual preference. I am not God to judge. What do you say? But so we are Eagle Prophet. Now you are Zan 419. As an man found my soon. I know you're freedom fighters. You're near why near to cry a long time. Oh, drive. We'll be friend who freedom fighter. I won't ask you. I say, Bruni, I say, and Ramadan was saying, my idea. What you know? Because so the people like the Sarkodie, they could not come, no. I went to see one. That is when you have to know, sir, these people don't have the interest of Ghana at heart. They don't love the country Ghana. They don't believe in Ghana. What do I say? Aha. So if we nekono, you have to understand, say, look, the country Ghana is what we want it to be fixed. If Ghana is fixed, oh, beto, to me the 1 week I talk car. Be donya me. Oba abrochira man for the 1 week talk car. 1 week salary, I'm the talk car. I mean down. Now some my video I chira car price da. Oba abrochira car be walk right on $300, £300, £350. Enyantro. E kwan ne ye. Yomu hia V8. Enti car bia to me fa kwan so. But Ghana na kwan ne enti gise ekofa V8. Eye jimiye. When you fix the road, you will not need money to buy V8. So what you say? When the roads are good, and it's being what? Dualized from Accra to north, from east to west. Now the hinterlands, so a friend said dualized and the roads are well maintained. You will not need V8. So what you say? So these are the things we want you to understand. That to fix the country, yes, the core of our message is that the 1992 Constitution and nyoma bebre wo mu a enye ayese atugu and the Constitution ko your bar and ka by now we chima awo be mienu miensa and for 30 years. So what you say? And muntie ni ye. Don't just follow blindly. These days, Send a DBA can. I do not know Juma body in bread. The system is working. Nipanema a system no working. So Nipana Junior Juma and the system in Juma. And to your system near Juma. Enra. One of the beautiful things I mean who about Ernesto Yeboah, any all the freedom fighters they say. Any Ghana for a call a year demonstration. No? Indeed, we are very disciplined. We are very, very disciplined. Now, Enrano, if there is anything, the NDC and MPP should learn something from you guys. And what am I saying? What should demonstrations are MPP and NDC are be out there? We are going to in real Mujagu. Question a fear or Mujagu. Even though there is no, even though trash cans, when there were no trash cans, what a friend is saying, a cronimono, you made sure, sir, you went with your bin bags, that black polythene cashier, your friend a bin bag. And I must say, in running in our gumu, and right there, honestly, and that's to your boy. Look, you guys are people that we should pray that one day you come and lead. Honestly. Because I always believe in people with action. Or say Bronimo. When they speak, action. I don't believe people when they speak, there's no action. No. You go to church because you believe that the Bible is an action word. If not, sorry. You are a Muslim because you know, sir, you get some benefit from what? Islam. If not, kabejai. What do you say? And the other one, we cleaning honina, musiesie honina. Oh, Jack, my idea, pa, because Enra me share the way up. A man for a buyer, why Enra, we almost a side running in na. And that's too my idea. And to be sound, Mama Casa face your attitude, you know. Even Pono, there was no trash can or hole, there was no bin, ever hole. But look at how they made sure, say. So imagine Sankia providing a friend and trash can. I will be a Juma. I will make sure say they will enforce say a crumble dini. And Kagana and Sebeka say form a female anywhere. So I say, and Tiano, yes, San Ghana for my general. Nayade, I do not for Francis here for Mati. We are in the process of what? Formatting every Ghanaian brain. Because they want to say the majority of Ghanaians no brain no say freedom fighters, Dr. REN mo, time for change mo, amazing. TV mo and formatting my junior no enya adwuma. So we are formatting the brain. Near the Ghanaian what? The love for the country, no, and they are tumutrim. What do you say? And the Andra no the Ghanaian no mo call you no. Me will say I for be so mo call fine you maybe I say you be na call e bi ko gu oba bi ho number some the news they wanted to find ways and means to discredit our your friend say yeah demonstration but Andra no before I ever call no say yeah empire but me catch am say we should pray in the midnight to intercede na asofofo malamuko and Kramukunsa, Muframia, Imam Amu and Muframi said, you are praying for a successful demonstration. No, now BB and Sino, and we should believe that nothing is going to happen. I suffer for you now. Yadamasi. My idea, Ghana first you discipline yourself and so Yadamu now and right look. I won't lie you. I was so happy. I was so happy. But I said, in fact, my idea, my idea. And this is what we want. So when you head you pay a cost. But most importantly, the 1992 Constitution, you know, you see a constitution, one constitution. And you are quite name there. You better jump out to 2 years. And the amount for say, hey, I say, now Dr. a private soon Al Jazeera, money BBC by. I just said, face the country demonstration, you know. We will call on international bodies to come. And thankfully, BBC was there. Thankfully, Al Jazeera was there. Wadamaya was there. See, Enrano, behind the scenes, we work with some of these people to make sure some media houses are to come. And thankfully, so because they came, we can say that the dominant answer because I'm buy na Emma Edmedina ye and also very, very successful. I mean, say there is more. I bet there, and I'm more also that there's going to be more changes. Ghana for Ibehu. Because you're not Ghana, Emma, a Kufuado, and then a Bushia, and fan show Mamotri. Equally, you're not Ghana, Emma Mahama, and then a Bushia for M fan show Mamotri. Ghana belongs to everybody. And then you can't, they make it sure you I'm obeying your home fashion. What do you say? I was here. I'm for idea with each other. Now, me person my own idea. Look, it's very sad. How many about we are all? Many about we. The friend of Bridget Otu. Or a calm girl, you need a dinner. You need a dinner. You must be a shas, you know. I'm about him now. Or your baby and a near dinner, or can I do? You find a Juma our Metro TV. Thank you, a Juma and I do Ghana time 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Monday to Friday. You can't say you found a pepper and a kufuado. SCN Sarkodie. The enemy you can say, you're in a but tobacco court. Say you terminate the contract unlawful. You're sure so court and so be dinner. I'm a Sika contract I see the money now because of coach. That coach in the time of contract I'll say ya. Won't mean terminating it. I will terminate a wrong termination of contract which we do court. But you see, a football to through a dinner to the stand say a macra he attacks them. The president is so wicked to the extent say or background he attacks the or back a man kind of for member as he provided jobs and the man woman. You to mean providing job on my woman. We are attacking this lady because you feel say she's affiliated to the enemy. Sorry. And to be sound. How can the president be so wicked? This is a president that will mount a mount. President, the man in I am. And to where you crack to a bear maybe a copenwas and Pesamico Warren. Now, President, I would do a dinner. Metro TV and the same way but two. What do you say? Ain't you know? A football person of fuck crime so making sure say look, this lady is not going to do the job. But look, at the end of the day, who a kufa to see and saki or byway, you know. I was what the moko court. And yes, what the moko court, and a power, yes, the moko court, pepe, and I'm a friend around the abbey, and I'm a friend say. Mo sa Nigeria ni ya oye mo manager always say by force manager ni nyine manager no so yi na dia hu yin so be yi na di enti so oba ni mo report dia ye mo ka. Why is the president so adamant to say eye Bridget Otu ye nyine? Why? Say me kan kira mu yi Bridget Otu we dia obe kwa a friend is saying different station Zoom Lion somebody who are affiliated to the government. Zoom Lion, Metro TV, who are one of the greatest percentage shares. But look, some of these things, Akufo-Addo, they were not are buying. If you don't support any government there, they should come after you. It's the same thing that they went after Dr. Indu. Sapepe na before account for it now. Emma Akufo-Addo went after our own. Dufo a friend is saying, why Minister for Finance no? One to say he went after a friend is saying, Akufo-Addo ninuya Oforiata there. Ono de bia o white else na kuma na adwin na friend Daka. Adwin fia papa na wodi tim no ho. Me so no one ne bra Kufuado one compete with Lucifer. Adwin film they are competing with Lucifer. And you better metro TV. Now my Bridget enya na adwuma. Because you got to say masaki Bridget. Unia, I just say Yanka Sano, the culture of silence ayeka de bia ewo. And it's clearly no daily no. Mu show Captain Smart ko cancer ba omi abon ni apamone free angel. Andra angel for by angel TV for by Captain Smart kasa. I almost say Mike. Ah, I don't want me to and so Captain Smart the videos mo dey hear adwuma no play. Kofi Adoma so dey we pretender papa Kofi. Oh no. I saw Sa pepe. Look. Enra the Ghanaian youth came out. Now mo kase Ghana youth no. This is the country and told you. I want to say Abua Papon. When I'm no kase na we auntie. Abua Papon we auntie. Ya de beko Kumasi Ashanti region. Ya de free beko Cape Coast. Because said me kan ya. Betna ha me ka kira mo say face the country. Ya de beko ewiase afa na no. And then someone you know say and someone me kan ya no. You too ho ana. We just don't talk. Action and here. I said it. Face the country no. You know Oliver. And your friend say if you are double it's going to go viral. Now and yet a friend is saying every UK free America the man no go viral and the mo say ampa asem kan na dey di so Germany for by your modie German for Dankeschön by your modie na ya pese ye hu se ebia MPP nkwa nkwasefo bi a ye bi wo London a wo mo be bo chenku ekuti a ye face the country there's nothing to be fixed no. What I say? Face the country, you know. Enra. You be call Germany. Yes, sir. Every people just carry them where Kufuado one among some quiet. Counter demonstration with Germany because man, ya the ani who say Sebio. Much MP before more UK. Mododo anwa. Mobile counter demonstration. Tia no. You be call Germany. Munya counter demonstration. Man, ya the ani who say much Jimmy Dodo. Abrewani akokora na amobaye no abrewani akokora na amobaya modi pokle ebleach mu te se owusu bempa modi pokle ebleach mu te se owusu bempa no asantefo de bleaching eye dese eye bleaching eye desin eye se ye be ye akwan asantefo ni bleaching ye bleach ya nwa bleach ye turu mu nyina mo fa ncheme ye ni ji bleaching hu keke very inferior your mind no. Especially the accounts. Yeah, you can with Bodo. You bodo in Sorobia. Yeah, bleachy adjunwa, me Kufuado ya de bonimpo and Bessie Becca. Because adjun ya pipano. Ya de poclair, up a pano. Ya de poclair, ya de pipa adjunino. What do I say? And Tiabeco Germany. MPP for one quanquer counter demonstration. You know, it's just more Jimmy. We am quasia for Toliwa. Mo ye counter demonstration no MPP for mo ye counter demonstration no ye pese ye hu no Germany so ye hu mo Germany dia na chese mo de mo ye nkwasiafo papa emrewafo ne nkokurafo na mo ba ya mo say there's nothing to be fixed no see ye hu no Germany dia na mo ye nkwasiafo papa dia mo ye moa mo ye nwan pon ehu wonfaso sen mo tie hu no ye nua no wasantefo a enra de bass ko si wase mo mbra mo se mo de mo mba Mama pokle, mudi pokle ebleach mu ama pokle no as I affect mu adwene no. Pokle no asesa mu adwene nyina. Enua no asantefo me say, "Wo penkofo mu ye very inferior pa." Dodo no ya asantefo. Akanfo dodo no a. Ye de pokle ebleach ya adwene. Enti MPP ya de bone kura ye hu because pokle no asesa ya adwene no afomate adwene no. Be kwakwa hu asantini ba, wo se asantini broni. Asi hey, where the tuntum broni? Ye Jimmy and the dosu asantimem. Kai. Na mo asi ye te kokwaso. Ye tibidie so pa. O te kokwaso na kohwe oboase. Oboase fi. Jemfu I say we need any mate boy aggression. Jemfu I bedu one kakra. I say Kwame Nkrumah said the Ghanaian is not timid. One thing say you to your boy say. When push come to shovel, they will see. Look, entiani anu mu amuma counter demonstration wo UK no. MPP for the young because MPP for Dr. REN. We are not going to join. Some of the organizers called me, MPP for organizers, but also Dr. REN, we are joining. Fewer prices is going up. I also been joining a counter demonstration for what? To show with appreciation. I put all. And Tiani Anuma Santimemu, I'm bleaching one, clear. I bleach him to say a friend, so who's Bempa? What bleach him was that's Remo. Munja Poclair now with the bleaching where some arguing, for my arguing. Easy, no. A babuamo. Won't go here, Oliver Can. Bema tuntum bleaching, or Monsieur Oliver Can. The tuntum pepe. On the side, the color behind red, go green. Oquas antimemo and Abahu bar, the color red, go green. One ready now for a Santini bar, nightclub, and a joke. I dear betting, bonus say, yea, Yamutu. Ya pay a woman, ya pay a no winina, ya bleach a nunina. And I say, Bono, as anti for mamma, or my bleach or manwa, cocoa to say, or giant to Tienie pa. And Debaco, ya call Germany, and Quasiafua, Mumbra, MPP in Quasiafua by a counter demonstration, Mumbra, Mamba, how the idea who somewhere Jimmy. Mopo Clan, I will use Munja use. For Clan, I will tell Santimemo, I will use Munjai. Betia Santina, tuntum broni. Uye tuntum ye tuntum. Ye ni tuntum ye ni broni bia o. Tuntum ye tuntum. Ye ni tuntum broni wa braboni. Na munja nkwasi asem no. Munja jimie no. We bleach mu ho sa. Aba hu asantefo ma so fine girls so mu shape fe. No wa bleach ne ho. Be call a friends and cramonte. Bon be man we bleach ne kwa na ne we bleach ne nim na ne kwa nyina tuntum ne nsa nyina tuntum. Be proud of your color. The inferior spirit the inferior spirit of our leaders, your celebrities, they are very inferior. They have inferior mindset. They think everything white is superior. We need to start changing the mindset. Everything black is also superior. Let us start believing in ourselves. The more we believe in ourselves, the more we can patronize made in Ghana goods. The more we can ask the Ghanaian carpenter to give us a friend and say, papa. And your parliamentarians, they are very inferior. They have inferior mind. To ton timber, ton rosewood, ton konyawa China. This is the inferior mind I can. Very inferior. Ya poya ho sa de se wo su bempa. Oko Ghana parliament a o ma po ma dwene no a. Ghana parliament for pe ana mutumi ton timber e de ma China ni. No ma ko ton konya free China. Inferior mind ne bi no. It is Sarkodie. Very inferior pito wo ho. Onko num pito no akofa cigar or the trap picture. E Jimmy nko a. Very inferior celebrities and inferior leaders with inferior legislature for omuguwo, judiciary inferior mindsets, executive inferior mindset, and as citizens bebre so inferior. Oba pecha if you don't leave us oba pa ye nyina ka ho ye nyina ka se me ma me afa pen wa chora to me kofi a me koto no ensem obeka kire me next time we kana ko kasa na ko kasa santefo aye omo bleach a bohunu de ona nanom be yew no kro na na ka no we tia ne se tuntum broni e de tuntum e de broni to we tuntum aye tuntum we tuntum aka se me tuntum na ha so no e de tuntum broni de bia ya de broni fa ye ne oma ho ana ye made in UK efri na komunto made in Ghana mon patronize made in Ghana. Oh yeah. They sold the lithium $166 billion to an Australian company. Lithium no maton. Osinabuaje no maton lithium no. Maton. They have inferior mind. So anytime they have the gold, then they will go and sell it to the a friend is saying the Australians, and they will go and buy car batteries from Australia. They will go and buy phone batteries from Australia because they are fools. They don't know the importance of lithium. Lithium, I know the mobile phone, a power this and 20 years to come. UK for be free a friend is a petrol ni diesel car on be call a friend is electrical cars and lithium no anke nya no ke betumi aboy 166 billion what they say in the jack yeah the a friend is demonstration we be ba asante mem o te kokoso otumfo na o krom ha krob ya asante hene o ha look yenim say August bia na edi a friend is afahye e wo krom ha edi asante edi kweside afahye e wo eye UK ha e be sere krob ya asante hene na wo de ebo mu an ebo odi an abu mu enso ye me wo me namfo bi wo mo de mbo odi an mu gina wo mbo mu da because obo na asante memu ayefi na wo gaga nyina wo gaga ni wo gold nyina bebrebe nyina ntina na enti asantefo ye tu no nyina nti entimi nya asantefo nkase ye organize sika kwame despite mu ye friend sen angel FM kwaku otem enti organize sika nto trash cans emphasize asantemem burgers at Germany Hamburg burgers asantefo Hamburg for burgers Hamburg burgers kambekwa ye friend say bergampo ti burgers a mu de demonstration e ba mo e mamomba burgers a muti asantememu muti Germany muti UK asantememu ye finti mu enti mutu no ni nyina enti muntimi nto trash can ensiesi asantememu me say asantefo burgerfo do mu ye tu no nkwa o mu dwa o manu hwi ni kutra yem asantini burger o te salatani obede na no be fa ho saa owi a odi free o ma okoto asantini mrante kai oto mu of Ashton for enka kan Ashton for mani atese Ashton boys be rap sisi a Ashton for omo ye omo Ashton for de omo swag o de ne swag ni bediu owi a o ma hwe o ma okoto owi a se wa oje 10 seed na fafa kako Ashton for boys so ebusia when na aseda what ya say aseda pa na mame me di be wie no mame konzema mame konsim konzema ebiamo me de ade bi be kire nzemafo mo hwe ade me de ade bi be kire nzemafo I hope say me hu ade kro no me wo video bi a me de be kire nzemafo ti wunyina ho but before there no mame fa ade we ma we Dr. REN yeah wow the papa 5 good years 5 years and Nana Akufo-Addo tie pa o say 5 years and Nana Akufo-Addo wo de muntie the Dr. REN eka Dr. REN or the bibi or the assembly ba if free Dr. REN wa ye be call papa bi oni akofa na asem na motie ni because enema bi cost this year face the country demonstration you know ye be call a friend is saying yensem ni so pa yensem no ye be call so pa because ye hunu say sisi Ghana for na gye atum Ghana for so de omunya gye utum dia na eno ano what they say Ghana for no omunya gye utum a na eno ano no what they say aha etino look Ghana for ebeda mase pa magye atum ebeda mase na magye atum ni de say we should go and refer to Mahama. What bottom papa? Wunni adwene. Ade obi small Akufo-Addo say one country Ghana for see sika so na comedy. Ade obi force Akufo-Addo see one country Ghana for say he was going to fix the country in 18 months. Did anybody told Akufo-Addo say one brand no make say one district one factory? Did anybody force Akufo-Addo? Did anybody force Akufo-Addo to come and lie to Ghanaians? Nobody forced him. Did anybody told Akufo-Addo to tell Ghanaians say yes on entry? Yes, so what any so what any say and your man now would buy no the old train and your man would Ghana no you didn't you want to say we should face our attitude. What bottom?
Position per war Africa any MPP the worst form Jimmy Adore. I'm telling everybody today, if I have not seen stupid people leading political parties in MPP, I have seen enough.
Stupid.
Yes, they don't have the brains. They don't have strategy. They are hopeless, visionless. They don't know when they are to clean the deal. They are over the bar. I am painful, a woman. Sabi. I don't know who is a...
What did you okay? Reverend Sabo Subi, Reverend Sabo
position per war Africa any MPP. The worst form. Jimmy Adore. I'm telling everybody today, if I have not seen stupid people leading political parties in MPP, I have seen enough.
Stupid.
Yes, they don't have the brains. They don't have strategy. They are hopeless, visionless. They don't know when they are to clean the deal. They are over the bar. They are over the bar. I am penny for a woman. Sabi. I don't know who is a.
Tienye, we mwanga samunipa Reverend Muau anu akachira mo say wano de we hunu say mo de mo ye over the bar mo jimie no dos we MPP mo enti MPP fo we de anya me Reverend kusi buafo se mo jimie no ye over the bar o se onim say leader bia mpo UTV say na se mo hu ena UTV obi atemonka say mo ye bias UTV ena obi atemonka mo ye bias ena ye be hunu say mo ye bias nso unja jimie no. The owner our team mu radio ni mu TV station no one wo bra yo wo bra ye o yo brafo enti mun ka obrafo asam ma no no say Kwame despite wa bra Father Dixon o ma bra o ma ton cassette bra won ka o ma asam ma ye hiafo what do you say o say bo su say mun kan kira mo say MPP for ye Jimmy for ye nkwasiafo they are over the bar mu Jimmy ye over the bar ma me konzima fo ho look enzemafo amote efrene sei evalua adwura jomro elembele be sajwe ekoma ahemfofo amote wo ana mo de mo frem ho kunyele mate group na mo frem ho kunyele chese mo ye baako. Look, let me say this straight to you people in Zemas. I mean kind of crunchre mo enzemafo min surobia free jomro ekosi evalua adwura. I'm not afraid of any enzema. Get it right and get it into your fucking heads. Tienye, dodo na mo yanzema fo mo tienye. Dodo no a enkwasiafo mpanyimfo am yanzema am opinion leaders. Mo tienye. Monya laki monya ohene bi e friend Kaku aka. A o se obeboa mo. Ama eye agudi a e wo masase so. Yetumi de aboa emabunu no. But ahemfofo nkwasiafo bi ete wo. Ahemfofo nkwasiafo bi te wo. Ana mo de division and separation abanzema. Ena me ka say ukọ Ankobra River no a ye galamsey ewom Ekufuado ne na aban ye galamsey wo ye frɛ ne san eye Ankobra River no maka kyerem say the only person obetumi aboa ye in the fight against galamsey eye nipa ba ko bi ye frɛ no Dr. Solomon or Denver, Colorado or ye Ghanaian or ye MPP ni wono he has what a friend is saying doctorate degree in what engineering mining. He is the only man that can help us. What do I say? So we should go for him. No one find expertise. And Sony say, according to Ghana Water Company, in the next 10 years, Ghana is going to import water. Listen to it carefully. In the next 10 years, Ghanaians are going to import water. Now what the chronim wani and to me share home? Adriani ebedi cry dene. Now you call importing water is a problem. Ahemfofo amotenzema bedwazo belabehye ebiamo emabunu amotenzema mon sorry madaache. It's about time I say yadwini enzemafo mabunu ho. Ahemfofo amotenzema am selfish and greedy. Enu ntenzema enkoso. Ye wo gold, ye wo diamond, ye wo bauxite. Ye wo oil, ye wo lithium. Ana ya senya cement clinker e wo nzema. And so konzema abontini a emabunu no ekomo di wo mo humo brought to say ewie de asori de mo akura ukonzema emema no padwuma pa na nso adwuma ni ho ukonzema and the Chinese fu afanzema because ahemfofu ate kuro ni mo adwene bone ni adwene fin enzema ahemfofu nkwasiampanyini fu amotenzema amuntua nyansa. Enzema ahemfofo am yan kwasiampanyini am de political parties akatamo ho machiminti titru Freddie Blay titru obi to say Freddie Blay. He is a stupid old man. Freddie Blay, he is a foolish old man. Mo first video ema Freddie Blay say madame me Dr. REN, I'm not afraid of Freddie Blay or me wofa na say me wofa Jimmy I say me ka kire wofa say wa Jimmy wofa aye chairman of the MPP enso wofa the chairman of the MPP and Enzema hospital papa be an Enzema. There were only one hospital and one Zema papa and also cry at the Tiapansam. Enzema for Muntiani, Muyam Quasia Fododo, Muchimiache, Doduana Yanzema for Muntiani. Kwame Nkrumah gave us a name and identity. Why Enzemani? And how I will wish and I will love say enzimafo be hunu nyansa. Because ye yankwasiafo. Say ye yankwasiafo anka Kwame Nkrumah ntimi nje e friend say fa wodi ne mayen. Ye yansafo. But then yama e friend saying division, divide and rule. Any politics saying and my maburu su enzimafo mpanyimfo am yankwasiafo opinion leaders am wo ho. Mami ka bi nkyere mo. Me Dr. Ren, no de be kwa edro so a, ubo me din a, edro wa be ka kyam se me yobosom. Me yobosom wankasa. Enya se bosom a me ka edi to me ho. Me yobosom wankasa, me yobosom. Ana me gina ha. Wo de me kwa edro wura na ubo me din a, bosom be ka kya se me yobosom. Because yobosom din ne de to me. Tieniye. Ren na wote no. Yobosom din o. Okwa Sweden na me din means clean and pure. Okwa Sweden. My name Ren means clean and pure. Tieniye. What I say? Tieniye pa. Enzema fom payinfo amuti kuro no amadwene adasa engo. Amudi etrumu akese na etu akese. Ana mo a mu firi afiba na mo kwa friend say ekuba ho. Mu firi ekuba ho na mo kwa friend say manza eho. Mu firi manza na mo kwa chese jimiye. Ahemfofo amutenzema jimiye. Etimi for do roso. Enzema ahemfofo mo jimi dodo. Mu tieni ye. Mu yankwasiam panyin fo na mugu enzema ho. Opinion leaders no. Mo nkwasiam sam na mugu enzema ho no. Enough. Abua muti kuro de so, muti wo man no so. Mu hwe de we enzema Ankobra River aye. Mu hwe de we Ankobra River aye. Enkwasiam panyin fo from opinion leaders. Emmoa minzura wi bia o bedeo medam minzura wi bia me nka be nchira me minsuro bia what dey say mun fixing zemaye ma chimi dodo mo ya moa leaders am on zema me se binyi ohene ba kupon frim menim se me ya video we a me nana be frɛ me nana frɛ me a me wofa me ante be ka kyerɛ me se me nya abotre but I have to tell them kwasiafo a mo frɛ mo ho ahefofo a mo gu nzima mo vre free se Kwame Nkrumah ya mo de hye ɛna yetimi mankofo gina TV so bɔ Kwame Nkrumah ho adanse enso Freddie Blake kwasiam panyini also now the chairman of the MPP party. He is a sellout. Freddie Play is a sellout to the Enzima. Anybody that supports the MPP party is a sellout of Nkrumah. Now let me say it. Some of us, we used to support MPP, but we have realized our mistake. We have come back home. What is the use of the mind if it cannot be changed? The mind needs to be changed. We cannot continue to be sellouts. Emra Buzia. K.A. Buzia, wodu nzima. Wodu mikrom, elembele asa asiswo. Asamba kupene free, K.A. Buzia, enumu bae. Wasi na onyankopon, eni twedi ampon. We shira nzima afuo. Wamama die pa. Wamama mmeranti amu ho edene. Wamama emma amu ho efe. Ana wasa chemu asase pa. Ada na mu ye galamse essence ase wanzima. Ahemfofo mu ye greedy bastards. Greedy chiefs. Greedy thieves calling yourself chiefs. Greedy thieves calling yourself opinion leaders. Every mame forso ne mrewa forso ne kokura forso. Mu ye very greedy. Ohini bi aba ye friend Ken Kwaku aka. Woso obebo anze maman. Mo pese bodi nanim twitwiri form. Munya ready, I am coming for you. Ohini bi a oyanze mani bi a ono say, "Oye bema no, I Dr. Ren, I'm coming for you." And when I say I am coming for you, I am coming for you with wisdom. Maybe formati mo adwene no. Na me de nyansa ti mo adwene mu. Yes. Maybe formati mo adwene no. Na me de nyansa ahye mo tiri mu. Enzemafo ahemfofo amete wo. Mo pese mo de Kwaku aka nim atwitwi form. Aboa nchimo we. Senkenya Kwaku aka the first and come no baby anka enzemafo nke wo. Enzema Apollo. Ha. Amamu njimi wo ho. Enzemafo ahemfofo amamu njimi. Mujimi na doso enough. Muntia break. Dr. Ren, me se munya den. Muntia break. na no me kote ya yesi a friend is saying amaboa ese na omu opposition ti no omu ntimi nya bibi papa bi mfa mboanzema afo amaboa uncle zane nkwasiasam keka no munjai sa who opposition cry you have to help. The fact to say your party is in opposition does not mean say you cannot help the youth. What bodamana? Unja sankwa siasam na mo be MP sa and you opposition ti ye ntumi mboa. Untumi mboa ne vacate your seat. Fama obi obetumi aboa. Because there are ideas you can use it to govern your constituency. Don't be silly. Hey, me say nzemafo. Muntie ne ye. And you to Ghana gas wo ho. Yakofa CEO, you see a friend secretary Agyapong. And so much nzema e mabunu nya adwuma nya wo Ghana Gas Company. Very soon. Say me catch am say after 4th August, I will me ka asem a me to me boase. And I me nya obi a me ka asem de to okeke. I move with action. I am going to organize the youth of Nzema to come after you people. Na mo be dwane. Ahemfofo amote Nzema. Mo be dwane. Eh. Power belongs to the youth too, and it belongs to the people. Me, Dr. REN, makachere mo. Me die mo ano no. And I'm going to tell you people. I am going to tell you people. Se mekaniju ka benkwasi asamo be denzima kanimo bele yela. Ene be Ankobra River be wonye. Ghana Water Company say in the next 10 years enzimama e ba import nzule bele squaw. Nzule mo nyamle va ma yela bele sachi. Bele ye galamse ba sachi. Ahemfuma mama be mazu ezukwa lile ye be fe mo bele saki Azrael bezukwa ngrebe. Bezuka ngrebe. Bezesuma bele ma Freddie Blay mo le sell out. Ofru Freddie Blay mo wale bote awu vala ole Sarkinzima. Oda was ole chairman for the MPP. Enzo ni debia bebusa Freddie Blay mo MPP ya va manzima ma. Bebusa Freddie Blay. Bonzo mo de kane mo bele saki Azrael la. Beni bonzo di no. Tanzania me ba meburu mo be onzima la. Be ba ye action. Mamu minzuri o. Minzuri. Misenzoni minzuri o. Be die boy. Mele bozune, mele komle minzurobe. Sabenzia. Mise mele bozune mele komle minzurobe. Okay? The American ina say me ahemfofo amotewo minsurobia. Me yobosom, me yokonfo minsuro nipa wo. Na misuro nyankopon. What do you say? What on asasana ma China for the foreigners? Anom de ye galamse no mo sense asase no ho. Amount for rubber ni etwagu. Amount for cocoa ni etwagu. Na mo de ye galamse. Wa jimi ana. Munim sa mo pa ne Kwame Nkrumah. Mo papa ene Kwame Nkrumah. Mo nana ne Kwame Nkrumah. Kwame Nkrumah banned surface mining. Was it is only underground mining that should be accepted. Because onim se Ghana asase no ye betumi aye de dia num aye de edisika. Ebe breyen. Mutu na mo science yoni ensase ni nyina. Bezel. Enzema ahemfuma mo bedeka bedi suane azo bezel. Bezengra bel. MP Samuel Nzema bezel benzengra bel. Bele sell. MP Samuel bedi Nzema kana bele sell. Rio. Bezeka yesroba na. Ya doba ye mama be nyale power. Be ha be amaboa. Be amaboa mo ozekai. Hey, Amabua, before my bahala, and the Freddie Blay out this woe. Yaba Ryan do away with 2024 Senzia. My young okay, Ellie untouchable, Ama. My young bobo, and son of every America, and Yazua pa. But let's sell. Best at Dinsma Canimo near Ankobra River Mobile Sekila. And we are. At the Alambella Canimo, Empimo, but let's secure Alambella Zelena, and we are. Yo, Ekali comedies, Ekali just the tip of the iceberg. But about I have for my Canimo, Kuaka, Enu, Echuchazla. Very soon I'm coming for you. Mwasia, I am for fan, Edo sele ele insta badna ebadna esuazo la ewia esuazo ekwanu kwa nva de biemba Ukonso won fashion ba. Abu egwan. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Enzima, this is the tip of the iceberg. Very soon, you will work. And you people will work. Kwa siyasema kwa. Ujai. Utuwana. Moko fa echecha na makojina Mr. President, we want V8. Abua. Kwa siya. Mebunu nebre. Ghana gas na wono. Enzima fompo nya binye. Yewa technical school esiwa. Training upe Ghana forces na kwa mechanical engineers na electrical engineers. Go to a friend say ECG. Kwa kwa commandants. Kwa enzima fo. Moko school edu echire. Abua Ghana gas ba ya mutumi fa wo mo. Kwa siyasema kwa. Amza, senior michi yao. Yo. Begu sekunda kan begu takwa de kan mo. Le nwasiasam gudi mo mabele yela wakala. Be ho besu azbania. Bele saki azrane. Amudi garam say signs ma asase. Abu agwan. Ojan. Kwame Nkrumah ye papa. He gave us an identity. Asiasema kwa. Mo sorry ano pa na mo jana. Ohene a waba ono de woso bebua ma oman no emebunu no etumi anya adwuma ye. Etumi anya ne papa na nkwasiafo ahemfofo mienu miensa bi omanim tuntum sa ade. San de me ya no say omanim so tan. Sanzima for ahemfofo no omanim tuntum tantantan. Kwasiasema kwa. Abua Sanzima for ahemfofo na omutwitwa a friend say ohene na opeso de bi papa eba omanim no omutwitwa na akwan mu no omanim tantantan we mu na woni mampo da eh ema no so de mutumi ni kaka motobi fimu efo dade eh ema bi tumi ni kaka motobi dade o dwan enzima for ho fefe ba me hu me sankofo de em say menya so mba yenzima papa ni bia mba ye sanzima for no papa no ko boy ahya wo jantra bra na omko fa sa ankora ni bi bae no kai timi hu nzimani ohene bi enim tanta na nzima for den ka ahemfofo kama ye fa o 10 gram fo yi ago fa nzima for omanim tantantan bi oh passport sa ote hey ebiamo nzima for this is just the beginning who are platform nzima for platform fatuo ka kire o mo say Dr. REN me house master, I'm coming to clean my home from Jomro to Evaluate. Yani ama omukwa Paulisian 2016. Ya kan ubi ni amba Paulisian e wini ye. Me anso 2020 me catch Paulisian say obelusu. Me na me catch so be wini no wini ye. Me na me catch say be say tu ne tu no. Me am sister, me nua, me auntie, your friend say Evaluate. Ya catch so be wini. Ya anso say tu no. Minua baba Fantana mame afoto fidokas ya na ne bai oya rofa ye betu no abodan papa ga se wo ga se me be gina baba ese me besum nipa na besum me man yo me man no nipa na tim na beso mo didie ukwanzima emranche ne pajuma ye o mani mobo ekom di wo mo nsam unu akwa ahemfofo no kwotena wa no akwaje jiska no abo mo jiska no we no de koto edan wa America Atlanta Georgia nsima fo pa Atlanta pa kokore Atlanta enzima fo bebre na guo omo jiska no we no de koto Atlanta Georgia kwasi asema kwa ka se be di agro ho ba ho vanle but an vanle mo be de kane Catherine 2016 ya da ma Catherine MPO 2020 ene ye ni fra akonya so abodam kwahwe lower axim ene your friend say bembo hwe ohene na ofi lower axim on de manso twenko a ohene otwe manso de mehunu bi da jimie nko a bezasuma benya kakwa kaso be ayede bi kpale ya via mabe bendio majimi ana manya ohene ono de wo ba be bibia boa mo mosomompe Azalame ado lower axim ahemfumo ado de kane omoda obi oye ho manzulin kume mo electric manzulin kume president of Befrayo president of House of Chief Western Region is on the bi ekpale oye manzima ma Bejazwa, manzule on va de vie parler on va enzama ye be hey Benya Ibu, me say come on, the tip of the iceberg. Me let me documents. Be don't be wule be yazan documents ngume he la be what can e do over meeting kekwaka holla. You disrespected kekwaka. My sister, I do the council of a council of Nzima Council of Elders, State Council of State. I do represent you there. My sister, my auntie, me come here. I have your file. I have your file. What documents wa make? What documents wa make la? Se embuanwa me dan ko mebu edio. Se embuanwa me dan ko mebu. Embu ohene kekwaka mebu edio. A council of elders, a council of state elder, whatever, a member of the council of state. My sister, my auntie, my memo, I hate nonsense. I hate nonsense. If you don't respect the chief, I will not respect you because the chief meant it good. You people meant it evil. Okay, I was here. But don't be here. The tip of the iceberg. Me documents na bebre enzma hini bia nu abeka chem se me ni no document eguo ka kira me say house cleaning na me sha ase free me am fie me ju o munyina adi abepia bontene mo te ton nsase na mo fa anya hwe oye ba na mo kodi anu na ton sika no a mo fa anya hwe akrofo mo pese mo ne Akufo Addo kwaye baako mo ni Freddy Blay kwaye baako na mo tons ma te se de Freddy Blay atons ma e free CPP mo ko join MPP a o di esika what your friend is saying cantonment me so I me wo fa menim no o dwan Enzima youth me la koma ma be e mo ti se me kaka chobo ya bera be dio on ka the way mo ye face the country mo ye bola me dia ma me dan ko me bukanre me ye bi wa UKK me dan mo ala mo UKK me bukanre la the same thing Ghana there no ko me dan ko bukanre. Very soon we are going to do a gargantuan demonstration to voice our what grievances to the Enzima chiefs. Ohine esa otena ukrum ayi now nam now hey be jeking was asem bele ekene be don azane be liskwa ne emu a be lefa azane ba galamse be ni ankobra ene fisherman ko ankobra mo munya na monchi ene fisherman ko ankobra mo munya na monchi Enzima youth very soon me la basonu a choboy begra from Evaluate Jura all the way to Jomro. Inform on what Siasamo Belayela. Enzima, any hospital papa biao. There is no good roads in Enzima. We have all the natural resources, including leadership. Kwame Nkrumah's name alone can even take care of us. Abua, not Freddy Blay, all Anglikano, all MPP. Is on every more MPP ever man Enzima. Abua guy. All that thing that I can mumuli. Mediema. Me can say me na anya oda for free me fache me. Me kro mo ho donti, me man ho dontra. On ka just Sarkodie say onja bonsam na wodi nechi no. Na bonsam entumi mboa no. Mon kan just Sarkodie say Dr. REN say onja bonsam wodi nechi na bonsam entumi mboa no. Wonsom onyankopon twedi ampon bataya do mosoro ne asere. Asase ya. Ene pe ne betumi aboa no. Onja inconsistency no. Onjai. What do you say? Inshallah, we shall overcome. Ghana is going to be a better country. And Ghana will definitely be one of the best countries for people to come and work for us. Thank you all, freedom fighters. Thank you, Fix the Country, the 12 disciples. And thank everybody that came here to share for me. I love you all. God bless you. And very soon, we will meet again. God bless you all. Yeah.